Ladies and gentlemen, brand new rolling heritage video, and today we are gonna go to the other side of the country and buy another car. So yeah, let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, we are actually in the other side of the country right now. We have a beautiful view over here. You have Pascal over there somewhere. Hello. And yes, the Swift. I like the car, but I don't like it. And yes, we do need something else. So I was looking at some other cars for the past like weeks and stuff, and I might have bought something. Well, I actually did bought something. So yeah, we are making a nice trip of it today. So yeah, Pascal has a banana. Hello banana. But yeah, I'm here to show you guys what we bought, and it's not a 240, it's not a 740, but it's something very cool, and it's a Volvo 940 sedan from 1992 in the color gray. It's like almost completely stock. Well, it is, but the only nice thing it has is it has a simple manual roof hatch, so sunroof, so that's very nice. Interior is also pretty damn clean, as you can see. So yeah, it's just great interior. This thing is driven 352,264 kilometers, so that's also very nice. It's, yeah, they say it's much, but yeah, I don't care. It has this very old Nokia cell phone holder. And yeah, we can even turn the window up and down, and everything works. But yeah, there are some things we need to fix. Yeah, I'm looking at a speaker over here, and this thing is not like completely working at all. The radio is very old. It sounds just completely bad. I have no idea what that thing over there is, because it's blinking red right now. What is this thing?
I don't know.
It's blinking red.
Oh.
You can click on it, but I don't know. Is it like an alarm or something? I have no idea. It looks something like something from Knight Rider or stuff, but we'll see. We're gonna go and find our hotel room, and then you guys will see this car in action tomorrow. And just like that, we are at my grandma's house. Over here we have the brand new car. It just looks awesome. Look at this thing. This is our new rolling heritage car. You are gonna see this car so much on this channel. I have got this very nice sun visor thing over there. It needs some painting on the rear bumper. I already purchased some lights for the rear with white lenses on the blinkers, so then we just have a complete white stripe all around. Then I will also be ordering some new blinkers over here, some white ones, and we are gonna put some white lenses with orange bulbs in the front. New license plates are coming in. I don't think I'm gonna change the wheels though. These are just some Steelies with 16-year-old winter tires. So yeah, these are Michelin's. But yeah, these are just 16 years old, so that's a pretty old tire. So that's not gonna work for the road trip. But over here you see gorgeous panels, gorgeous interior, and this chair just feels like a Chesterfield. It's just so comfortable. You have a nice armrest, M47. Yes, you guys know me. I don't like M47s because all the problems I had with those in the past. We have a sunroof, and I got this awesome like cover for it. And there's a sunroof. It's a crank, so you need to fold this thing down, and then you can like crank it open and crank it closed. So that's a very cool feature for this car. Let's put this thing back with one hand. So guys, right now I am claying this car, and if you don't know what it is, well, you got a clay block like this, and it looks very clean. And then you get some clay lube, you spray the clay lube on a wet car, and then you go with your clay block over the car, and yes, you have that like sandpaper kind of feel to the car. That's all dirt. And what clay blocks do, as you can see, all those lines, it's all dirt that came from the car. It's all dirt that has been caught in the paint in the last, well, I think, let's say 10 years. But it could be a year, could be a week, I don't know. But yeah, I'm playing this, and when it's dirty, you can just fold it over, squeeze it a little bit, and then you can go on with your claying process. When it's done, you can rinse the car off with some degreaser again, and then you can polish it, wax it, coat it, what you want. But yeah, it's coming together pretty nicely. Ladies and gentlemen, Volvo 940 is up in the air, and we are about to do a gearbox flush. And with flush, I just mean taking the old oil out and putting the new one in. So over here you have my M47 with hydraulic clutch, and over here I have a paint filter which filters on 190 microns. So this is a very nice filter. It's a bit dirty, sadly, but it's just to see if there are any metal shavings in the oil. And yes, this thing has a brand new muffler. It is a bit old, and there is some rust on some tiny places, but I can't complain. Over here we have the fuel pump, rusted linkages. I have no idea if my center shaft bearing is okay. Here you have a hardy disc of your drive shaft. Yes, that's about it. Oh yeah, and the engine, of course, which is a bit leaky in the oil pan drain plug, but that's also nice and easy to fix. I do need to check on the gearbox mount, because I don't know where it is, but I think there should be something made of rubber over there, but I don't know where it is, so we'll see. Let's change some oil. There we have her, all nice and clean. Look at her shining. I love this car. Sunroof with the louvers. I just love this thing. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you like this new car. So if you do, please hit that subscribe button, and please smash that like button if you like it, and what do you like about it. Leave it in the comments below, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Yeah, hopefully we can go on a road trip, and then we would have some awesome content to film with hopefully two Volvos. My 940 and this is 240, and after that we are repeating the process of restoring my Volvo 240. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, thank you for watching and bye bye.